Well, hi. Welcome to my backyard. Say, I just got done with a 2.5-mile walk, and it is so gorgeous out here. I thought I would continue my time outside by doing a nature walk and look for signs of spring. Come along with me. I have trails in my backyard, so let's run. Ooh, I can already see signs of nature. I see the green grass. Look at all the green grass. Oh, look over here. Some new plants are shooting up. That is a sign of spring. Let's keep going. We're going to head down this trail. And oh, I see something over here. Look at this. It's mud. Mud is a definite sign of spring. When all that snow melts, sometimes it gets really muddy. In fact, I see some deer tracks here. Can you see those deer tracks? It might be kind of hard for you to see, but we have lots of deer in our backyard. Let's keep going and look for more signs of spring. I just noticed something over here. If you look up at these branches, it might be kind of hard to tell, but I see buds on the branches. Let's keep going. Oh, here's a sign of spring right here. This green soft stuff is called moss. That is a sign of spring. Let's see what else we can find. Did you hear that bird? Did you hear it again? Today I saw my first robin. When you see robins, that is another sign of spring. Wow, let's look down here. I'm seeing something really beautiful. Wow, do you know what that is? These flowers are called crocuses, and they are some of the first flowers that bloom in the spring. A sure sign of spring, and lots of moss growing here. Let's see what else we can see. See more of those beautiful purple flowers. Right here. Here's some new growth. Look at these. Some new shoots, a sign of spring. I wonder what those are. We'll have to come back and do another video to find out what some of these plants are and what they'll look like when they're in bloom. Lots of signs of spring. Let's head over here and see what we can find. Water. It is very, very wet here. All the snow has melted, and it makes this area of our yard very wet. Another sign of spring. Oops, I just got my feet wet. I think we will end our little nature tour right now, so I can go and change my shoes. And we will do another video in a few days or maybe next week and see how these plants have changed. Thanks for joining me on my nature walk. Have a great day and enjoy the weather.